Welcome to another episode of Ask Dr. Schulman. The next question is something I get asked all the time from women who come to me looking for breast implant or breast augmentation surgery. They want to know if they have to change their breast implants after 10 years. The quick answer is no. These aren't car tires. Breast implants can last forever, and technically you can live with them in your body for the rest of your life. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that during all the research that was done looking at breast implants and complications from breast implants, the studies show that if you were going to have a problem, it probably is going to happen around the 10-year mark. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to have a problem. So again, if you're happy with your implants and you don't want them bigger, you don't want them smaller, you don't want to change them for something newer, then you can leave them and you can have your implants in forever. Now, one thing I tell my patients is that you have to understand that maybe at some point in your life, you're going to want another breast implant surgery. Maybe, 10 or 15 years from now, you're gonna want your implants bigger. Maybe your breasts have changed and you need to get a lift, and at that point, maybe you wanna switch out the implants so that you have something newer in your body. Maybe the implants that are available to you in 10 years are so much better than the implants we have today, and you wanna switch them for the newest type of implant. So if you're a young patient and you're getting breast implant surgery, just understand that at some point in your life, you might have another surgery on your breast, but it will be because you want to, not because you have to. So no, you don't have to have your breast implants changed every 10 years as long as you're happy with them and there's no problem.